my aquarium, beauty meets brutality. Watch as the seemingly innocent tomato anemone traps two unsuspecting mullet fry, pulling one head first and the other tail first into its deadly embrace. But this is just the beginning. After the shocking footage, I'll take you into the wild to see where these fascinating creatures live and hunt in their natural habitat. Brace yourself for a journey into the hidden side of ocean life. The attack in action, the tomato anemone seems calm, its tentacles gently swaying until the fry wander too close. With a sudden motion, the anemone wraps its tentacles around the fish, delivering a paralyzing sting. A double feast, one mullet is pulled headfirst into the anemone's central mouth, while the other is slowly consumed tail first. It's a shocking display of the anemone's predatory instincts in action. Silent but deadly, the tentacles' toxins immobilize the fish but keep them alive long enough for the anemone's digestive enzymes to begin breaking them down. Where they thrive, tomato anemones are commonly found clinging to rocks in tidal zones, where they endure powerful waves and changing water levels. Their bright color warns predators to stay away. The wild hunt in their natural habitat. They use the same predatory techniques, waiting patiently for small fish or plankton to pass by before ensnaring them in their tentacles. The role in the ecosystem, these anemones play a critical role as both predators and protectors, offering shelter to small creatures like shrimp while hunting for their survival. Masters of adaptation, tomato anemones are experts at surviving in harsh conditions. Their sticky base, called a petal disc, allows them to attach securely to rocks, even in areas with strong tides. If threatened, they can retract their tentacles and appear as a smooth, harmless blob, blending into their surroundings. How they reproduce, these fascinating creatures reproduce in two ways. Sexually, by releasing eggs and sperm into the water, and asexually, by splitting their bodies in half to create a clone. This ability ensures that their population remains stable even in challenging environments. An ancient design, anemones belong to the Cnidarian family, a group of marine animals that have existed for over 500 million years. Despite their simple design, with no brain or heart, their nerve net and stinging cells make them highly effective predators. Mutual partnerships in the wild, tomato anemones sometimes form symbiotic relationships with other species. Tiny crabs, shrimp, or even certain fish seek protection among their tentacles, immune to their venom. In return, these creatures help keep the anemone clean by removing debris or parasites. The tomato anemone is more than just a stunning sea creature. It's a master of survival, a skilled predator, and a key player in the underwater ecosystem. Whether in an aquarium or the wild, it's a reminder of nature's ability to create both beauty and brutality in one incredible package. Next time you look at these fiery tentacles, remember, beneath the surface lies a world of complexity and wonder. As the scene unfolds, the once active mullet fry are now barely visible, disappearing deeper into the fiery embrace of the tomato anemone. Only the faint flicker of a tail fin remains, a final, desperate signal from the fish before it vanishes entirely into the anemone's body. The anemone's slow, deliberate movements are mesmerizing. Its tentacles, like fluid, living flames, curl and tighten around the prey, ensuring there's no escape. At first glance, this process seems almost gentle, but beneath this calm exterior lies a deadly efficiency. What makes this moment so remarkable is how the anemone's ancient survival strategy plays out in front of our eyes. It doesn't need to chase its food, nor does it need strength to overpower its prey. Instead, it relies on patience, precision, and a lethal cocktail of venom to capture and consume its meal. The mullet fry, now completely engulfed, will undergo a transformation inside the anemone's digestive cavity. Its tissues will be broken down by powerful enzymes, turning the fish into nutrients that will sustain the anemone for days to come. And while this may look like a grim fate for the mullet, it's a testament to the natural balance of life in the ocean. The tomato anemone is not just a predator. It's also a vital player in its ecosystem, keeping small fish populations in check and providing shelter for creatures immune to its sting. This delicate yet brutal process is a reminder of the complexities and contrasts in the underwater world. Even in the stillness of my aquarium, life and death intertwine in fascinating, sometimes shocking ways. Stay with me as we now leave the aquarium behind and head into the wild, where the tomato anemone thrives in its natural habitat. How does it hunt in the vast ocean? And what role does it play in the balance of marine life? Let's find out together. And now, you're about to witness something truly unique in my aquarium. A surprising interaction between two very different creatures. My octopus, curious and mischievous as ever, has set its sights on the rock where the tomato anemone lives. At first, it seems like just another moment of exploration. The octopus approaches cautiously, one tentacle stretching out to probe the surface of the anemone's rock. But there's no mistaking its intentions. It wants the rock for itself. The anemone, however, is not about to give up its home so easily. Its vibrant red tentacles bristle, swaying defensively in the water. The octopus pauses, assessing the situation, its keen eyes fixed on the anemone as if calculating its next move. This is a fascinating clash of instincts. The octopus, with its intelligence and adaptability, seeks to claim territory, perhaps seeing the rock as the perfect hiding spot or a strategic location in the tank. The anemone, on the other hand, relies on its immovable position and its venomous tentacles to defend its turf. As the standoff unfolds, you can almost feel the tension in the water. The octopus gently prods the anemone's rock again, testing its limits, while the anemone remains firm, its stinging tentacles ready to strike if the octopus ventures too close. It's a rare moment to observe these two creatures, both masters of their respective survival strategies, coming into such close contact. The octopus, flexible and cunning, versus the anemone, stationary but deadly. Who will yield in this silent battle for the rock? Stay tuned as we watch this incredible encounter play out. The dynamics between these two marine marvels reveal just how complex and unpredictable life in the underwater world can be. Who do you think will win this silent struggle, the octopus or the anemone? Let me know in the comments. Why do you think the octopus is so determined to claim the anemone's rock? Share your thoughts below. Have you ever seen anything like this? If you enjoyed this moment, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible marine adventures. Don't miss what happens next. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more amazing underwater stories.